Hello, fam. I know it's been ages. I missed you guys so much. Life has happened, and because things didn't go the way I planned, I applied for YouTube partnership program and I was refused, and that actually discouraged me. During my silent moments, I have learned life does not always give you what you deserve, but if you remain consistent and you remain determined, surely life would hand you exactly what you have worked for. You know that song that they taught us when we were growing up, that do your best and leave the rest? No, that's not true. Don't leave the rest though. The world does not celebrate effort though. What everybody celebrates is results. And that's why they say success has many family members, but failure is an orphan, right? So, guys, I am back, and hopefully, I am truly back. And I want to challenge you because I am about to challenge myself. Challenge to monetize your online platforms. All your online platforms. You could start with one and gradually grow the rest. So I am back to Bimbo Akisoya TV. That is BAT TV. BATV. Yeah. And this time I am not playing. I am back to give you valuable content consistently. This challenge is from right now up till December 2026. Let's see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can grow our channels, YouTube channel, Facebook channel, and all we need to do is to post consistently. If you're happy to join me in this challenge, give me a thumbs up and comment challenge accepted. See you in my next video.